Hi there. In this video there are 30 plus back to school nail art ideas. These nail art designs are specially for teenagers who are going to school and they want to create some nail arts that can easily created at home. They can try out these beautiful teenagers back to school nail art designs easily at their home. Try out these nail art designs on your long or short nails. They can create pencils, designs, or some geometric designs, some lines, or some puppets, or any widgets on their nails. They can try out these nail arts on their French and long and short nails. They can create minimal French nail art designs and they can create these mix match pencils or geometric nail art designs. If you want to create some unique nail art designs, then follow this design. Try out these all nail art designs and tell me which art you like the most. And if you want to see any of these nail art tutorials, then tell me in the comment section. If you want to create these nail art designs, then you should try out these nail art, and with some practice I am sure you will create these nail arts easily. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.